Hey guys, it's just Natasha. Welcome back to another vlog. It's Vlogmas day 12 and your girl's been on a roll. Yeah, I'm exhausted, as you can see by my eyes, but I'm doing what I'm doing okay. I'm doing okay. Still got like 14 more days to go, but I think I'm doing okay. Yeah, today's supposed to be a chill day, but I don't think that's going to happen. In the previous clip, I think you guys saw me making lunch for the girls. Like I said, we're not gonna see a lot of cooking. Y'all gonna see a lot of cooking in these vlogs because that's just me, and I'm also a momster. Yes, this is my shirt that I created. Yeah, I'm a momster, but you know, yeah. So on the agenda, I'm actually scheduling today's vlog for you guys, which is day 11. I usually put them on a schedule, so they just automatically go up. The vlogs go up 5 o'clock on the dot every single day. Okay, every single day, maybe with an exception of Christmas Day, because I think I'm gonna be recording everything that day. Maybe when I see Christmas Day the day after. Who knows? I don't know. That's the direction we're going, but usually I record, edit, and post the same day, but we'll see how that goes. I have a few things I want to get done. Like I have a package I need to ship off. I have a few packages that I want to open, give you a little haul. I can guarantee you it's not the haul that you're looking for, but it's something. Okay, I just have them sitting right there, so I'm why not? We can open them together. What else? I wanted to finally bake the cookies with the kids today. We'll see how that goes. It is a school night, so we don't have soccer practice today either. So yeah, come say hi. Come say hi to the vlog. Come say hi, vlog. Yeah, say hi, vlog. Say hi, vlog. Take the passy out. You can say hi. Say hi, vlog. No, nothing. But yeah, today's supposed to be a chill day. I just have a few things I wanted to do. But yeah, so I am going to, after I finish this, I am going to go mail the ship that package out. I'll take y'all along with me and we'll chop that up. But I want to finish this first before I go. Finish the scheduling. And then I want to make some wontons for the girls for school tomorrow. Because stuff like that, wontons, I make them overnight. I make them the day before. But like, I think in the previous clip, I made spring rolls. I can do those in the morning because they're simple to make. But wontons, it's a little more tedious. So I do those the evening or the night before. So I don't know if I'm gonna be busy editing tonight, so I don't think I'm gonna do it tonight. So I'm gonna do it right after I mail this package off. Yeah. I'm rambling at this point, so let me go do this. What are you doing, sir? So see you later. So see you later. All right. Package is sent. Outer door still windy. one of these. Make some iced coffee. So needed. And I'm trying to put, well, he was down for a nap, but when I got back, he woke up, so I'm trying to get him to go back to sleep. But yeah, and while he's doing that, I'm gonna get some editing done. Yeah. So good. So good. But yeah. Alright. He's sleeping, so I'll see you on the next clip.
A lot of boring math later.
This is dinner, y'all. Oh my goodness, y'all, I'm back. I think the previous clip, what was I doing? Yeah, I made dinner. Everybody ate. First of all, I wasn't gonna show y'all me cooking again. Was chatting with the fam. The girls are actually getting ready for bed. They're, you know, cleaning up, getting their stuff situated, outfits ready for tomorrow, blase blase. They're doing all of that. I don't really show that because sometimes they don't want to do that, so they're their own little individual person, so you have to respect that. Yeah, I am going to open my Amazon packages. Well, I only have one. I actually have two, but that one I don't think I want to show you guys yet because I have a video I want to make for that particular package. So yes, yeah, but this one, let's see. You want to stay over there because I have this little thing in my hand. They're cute. Oh, and these little things, I got a whole packet of them from Amazon. They look like little flowers. They're cute, but they're not flowers. I use them to open my packages. Oh, now I remember what this is. Oh, it's huge. Oh, so if y'all know me, I love tumblers, right? I love me a good tumbler. And I travel a lot, so I need something that can hold my water, my coffee, my drink. So I got this one. It's a glass. It's a glass one. And it comes with two tops. It comes with the regular plastic lid. I might add some little bedazzle on this one. Ooh. Yeah. So this is what it looks like. Yeah. It comes with the cleaner, of course. I love that it comes with this. I'm not gonna use this. You can't put it on the bottom like that, but I'm gonna leave it like this. This is to put on the straw. It comes with, oh, I'm gonna drop it already. It comes with a metal straw and it comes with a glass straw. I love that it comes with both. So the glass straw you can use with the wooden top. You can use anyone. You can use the metal, but I think the metal, yeah, you can use anyone. So it would look like something like this. Oh, be careful, Papa. This is an Amazon must-have. Looks like this. That's what that one looks like. And then you have this lid, where it looks like this. Yeah, you want the lid? Here. No. You can't have this. No, you can't have that. But yeah, I don't remember what's in this. I remember what in this. Careful. God, God. I hope it's not something to break. Lysol. Lysol. Remember when I think it was maybe 2 vlogs ago, and I went to Target for a pickup, and they had me go inside for half the order, and other one I had to drive up. They had to ship the Lysol to me. So this is that. Totally forgot. But yeah, when the kids, it's cold and flu season, and the kids, they don't get sick, which they had around already. Yeah, I'm gonna need that. I'm gonna need that. And then these is what one of the things we picked up from IKEA. So in my pantry, it's like a shelving unit. I don't know if you can see. So in my pantry at the bottom, there's just stuff. We saw this at IKEA, and I'm like, yes, it will fit perfectly at the bottom of my pantry. So I'm going to use these, and I'm going to get some baskets also, the big baskets. I didn't see those at IKEA, but yeah. Day, didn't do much. It was just mostly me being at home. I think I left the house like one time, and it was to ship that package off. Yeah, so I think I'm gonna end today's vlog here. You want to say bye? Say bye. Don't hit me. Say bye. Say see you later. Say see you later. See y'all in tomorrow's vlog.